is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for frog, frog. G is for goat, goat. Letters and sounds, let's play along, singing our happy phonics song. From A to Z, it's fun to see, learning with you and learning with me. H is for hippo, hippo. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for mouse, mouse. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rocket, rocket. S is for sun, sun. T is for tree, tree. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for whale, whale. X is for box,